Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I wanted to talk to you about the GDSC platform today and how to register for events on it. In case you don't know what the GDSC is, GDSC का full form आपके पास होता है Google Developer Student Club, and it is a program for university students to learn and grow their skills in computer science and technology. And GDSCs organize various kinds of events such as workshops, webinars, and hackathons that you can attend to gain practical experience and also learn from industry experts in those events. But these events aren't just limited to like university students. If like a college student or like even school students, if they want to learn, they can also attend these events as well. So now that we know what the GDSC is, if you want to learn more, you can go to this link, developers.google.com/community/GDSC, or you can check out our channel or our website, which also explains quite a lot about what the GDSC actually is. So today I want to, the purpose of this video is to guide the students to register for more events besides the one that we are able to promote on our platform, so that they can learn more because मैंने notice करा है कि बहुत सारे students हमारे जो होते हैं, they wait for us to promote those events and then they register for it. But I don't think that is productive, because आपके पास if we aren't doing an event, for example, I get a lot of DMs के आप Flutter का event करवाओ, आप designing का event करवाओ, while I'm focusing on other events. So if I can't do it, so it doesn't mean कि you should wait for me. You can just go to our website, which is gdsc.community.dev, and you can find hundreds of events here which are related to all of these various topics, which you can filter out. For example, if I want to learn about UI UX, so I just filter it out by clicking on it. Okay? If I click on it, the check marks आपके filter हो जाता है, and then I can just select any one of these. Like if they're virtual, then I can go attend them I can go attend them online. But if they're in person, then I have to be on campus to attend them. So for example, if I select this one, which is Fast Hacks Day 3, so it says that I need to log into RSVP, but it also says it is a virtual event. ठीक है, मैंने अभी अपनी ID login नहीं करी है, but if I show my account which is already logged in, तो you can see that मैंने यहाँ पे login करा हुआ है. I can see my profile picture, and to guide you guys on how to log in, you just click on this or this, and then it will take you to this screen, which is the sign in, like the default the default sign in page for signing in your Google accounts. So once you've signed in, आप वापस इस page पर आओ, and then you can just click on this RSVP, and then it will just ask for like some short information related to you, just so that it can give you a ticket. So, and then it would also give you an option if you want to be added to this local chapter for future updates, because if this chapter does more events in future, and if you like their events, so you can just click on this, and then you can get notified whenever they're hosting an event. Therefore, now we just click submit, और अब मेरे पास यहाँ पर लिंक आ गया है join virtual event का. This event would be held on April 15th and 10:30 p.m. So if I go to this link, जो कि इस event का link है, and then I can join the virtual event here when it starts on 10:30 p.m. or I can just go मेरे email के ऊपर भी आया होगा इस जो कि ticket है, यहाँ पे लिखा है RSVP confirmed. So it sent a ticket to my email, so I can also join this meeting via that. And to become a featured attendee, this isn't necessary, and neither it is important. I don't think any one of you should do this, because आपके पास ये सिर्फ कुछ selected लोगों के लिए होता है, if they're like a company CTO or like a company representative or a partner or something like that. So just to put it simply, you just need to RSVP, आपके ticket आ जाएगा email के अंदर, and then you can just go into the event from that. So in conclusion, point of this video was that you shouldn't wait for us to promote various events. If you have an interest and if you want to learn something and and have a one-on-one experience with a GDSC lead or with an actual Google expert or trainer, so you can just go to our website, which is gdsc.community.dev, and then you just select one of these events, whatever interests you, and you can just go register for it and attend it. It's really simple. So That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful, and I encourage you to check out the GDSC platform and register for some events because it will really help you out. Thank you so much for watching.